Chew your food properly and slowly. It helps with better digestion and allows your brain to process that you're full since you've taken the time to eat slowly. It may sound silly, but using smaller plates will make your portion size look larger and will trick your brain into thinking you're eating more. Studies have also shown that people eat less off of red and black plates. Keep unhealthy junk food out of sight. Hide them away and make them hard to reach so that you're not easily tempted when you see them. Drink enough water. Sometimes when you feel hungry at odd hours, it might just be your body telling you that you're dehydrated. Drinking some water before a meal and during your meals may also prevent you from overeating. Eat mindfully. Put away your phone and turn off the TV. Focusing on what you're eating will allow you to hear your body when it tells you that it's full instead of you continuing to eat while being distracted by electronics. Cut down on sugary foods and drinks. Yes, even the diet ones. Sugar can lead to weight gain very quickly and easily, so try to avoid it as much as possible and replace it with natural sugars in fresh fruits. Don't buy groceries while you're hungry or stressed out. You'll buy more unhealthy treats and junk foods in that state of mind. Once you have them, you'll just be tempted to eat them all later at home. Cook more, order less, and go out to eat less too. Eating home-cooked food and cooking your own meals will make you more aware of what's going into them and more likely to avoid heavy fried foods and sweets. Avoid alcohol or binge drinking. Besides it being unhealthy, it can also add on a lot of calories without you realizing, especially with fruity cocktails that taste great but are full of tons of sugar and artificial flavors. And finally, listen to your body and trust it. Don't starve yourself or overeat either. Trust your body and the process because weight loss without exercise can both take time and commitment. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon and check out more of our health-related videos here. Until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.